Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. Make sure to watch the video till the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So simply from here all you have to do is to go to your library at home and then you're going to select whatever game you would like to check for it. Now for example VR chat, all we have to do is from here right click and then we're going to go to properties. Then from here we're going to go to installed files and then we're going to click on verify game integrity files. Once that is done, it's going to basically check up on all the folders and make sure that everything is settled and nothing is corrupted. If it's still not working, simply go to browse. Then from here you can see easy anti-cheat in the first folder. Click on it. And as you can see, easy anti-cheat setup, you're going to double click it so that it reinstalls it fully properly on the computer. Now, if you have managed to go through it and it still hasn't worked out fully yet, all you have to do is to simply go from here and then right click, and then from here going to click on delete. Once you click on delete, all you have to do from here is to go back and then simply click on backup game files again and install from here settings, properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of game files once again. Once you do so, it's going to reinstall the easy anti-cheat fully. And so from here, once that is done, you're going to close it and then you're going to run the game again, and that should work. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.